Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Silvana, and today's video is actually a really exciting one, or at least I'm excited. Hopefully you guys are too. Today I'm going to be filming my dorm tour, and honestly it's not completely 100% finished in here, but I just know that if I don't film it soon, I'm probably going to keep on putting it off the entire year, so might as well just get to it now. So my apartment tour, I'm not going to do yet until we get some more stuff for it because it's really bare, it's really basic right now. So today is just going to be the dorm. So I want to start by doing an overview of what the room looks like when these lights aren't on and when the window is just like open. So this is a quick little overview of what it looks like. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looks like with the lights on because it looks so pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with my roommate's side. He said it's fine that if I show his side, so we're good. So over here we have our mini fridge with this cute little magnet that says "but first coffee," and this mini fridge is actually a fridge, obviously, and a freezer. And over here we have our coffee maker, and we keep our little coffee grounds in there, and then we have the reusable K-cup. This, actually, we have a Los Angeles mug too, but it's in the dishwasher, so it looks a little incomplete and it's bothering me, but it's okay. We're gonna push through. And on his desk, he just has, just knickknacks, I guess, up there. He has his television and he has his Louis boxes to show us how poor we all are, but it's okay. One day I'll have 3 Louis boxes also. And then we have his bed. We kind of both have this like color aesthetic going on. As you can tell, it's like white, gray, and pink. It's really cute. I love it. And his stuff is up there, which I'm not going to go through because we don't need this to be a 35-minute long video. As you can tell, these lights just dangle through the whole apartment, or not the whole apartment, but through our whole dorm. So we're now on my side, and over here, what do we have? I'm actually going to go through every drawer just because if I'm watching these, I like to be nosy, so might as well. I have 2 perfumes up here. I have the Bombshell Paris one, and then I just have the Maui one. Have some scissors, my Too Faced lip gloss, a stapler, some push pins that I can use to put stuff up on the corkboard, but I don't have anything to put up right now. My computer. I have that cute little plant. It's not real because if it were real, I would have already killed it by now because I don't know how to take care of plants. Have this thing with 2 random little pencils that I don't know why. I have my aromatherapy diffuser that I just plug into there when I want to use it because it has the little USB thingy. And over here we have my desk lamp. And it's actually also a charger and has a connection up there, which I love, so perfect. Up here, I have my glasses that I never use, but I probably should use. I have my Hydro Flask candle that I also never use, but sometimes if I'm walking somewhere, I don't like to hold that one just because it's uncomfortable. Over here, I have my aromatherapy oils, some tissues, and then an extra cube, I guess. Over here, I have my scheduled classes, even though I already know them, but you know what, I just kind of like how they look. On this side, I have my mirror that lights up that I do use every day when I do my makeup. And on this side, I just have my extension cord. I have the lotion I'm using right now, which is Cucumber Melon. I actually don't like my lotions or perfumes to have that strong of a scent, so that's why I go for that. I have my Mario Badescu stuff that I use pretty much every day also. And then my EOS chapstick that I said was my favorite, and I think my what's in my backpack video. Over here, I just have makeup that I don't really reach for like every day. I do use the Naked Heat one a lot, but I don't really care enough. I have like 3 lashes. I really like the natural Ardell ones just because I don't like the whole like super exaggerated look on me, at least. Then I just have 5 of the sunglasses that I use most. And obviously these are makeup drawers. I could go into depth, but that's gonna be really long, so we can do a whole video on that if you guys want. We're back to this side. I'm gonna show you guys what's in these 3 drawers. We used to have like deeper drawers in the last dorm, which I kind of liked more, but these buildings are older and so the furniture is a little more outdated, so it's okay. I'm not complaining though. In here, I like to have a whole lot of random stuff. I have Post-its, staples, I have extra command hook stuff, I have my allergy medicine, ibuprofen, more allergy medicine. I have a file, my phone case that I have my card and stuff in, but I took it off. I have this Starbucks little coin purse. I have a mini lint roller because I thought it was cute. I have 3 pens that I kind of reach for the most just because they're the classic black, blue, and red. Then I have 2 of these Diet Snapple ones, and I don't think I've ever even tried Snapple, and I don't really plan on doing it anytime soon. Then I have some pencils that I'll probably use for tests that don't let you use mechanical pencils, some random index cards. This just has extra pencils and pens and highlighters and, you know, all the fun stuff. Tape, you know, just basic. In this drawer, I have extra watch bands. I have phone cases, my watch case, I guess, some nail stuff, a package that I don't even know what it really is. Then I have some scrunchies. These are my athletic scrunchies, guys. Look, aren't they so cute? I love it. Then I have reusable utensils, that way we don't have to, you know, kill the environment, but I've actually never used them, so that's bad. But I kind of don't have to now. Those are more if I go out now, because we have actual silverware this year. Have extra makeup wipes. I have this Indian healing clay mask that I love, and you guys should totally get on that. And here I have gloves. I think I have like some Coach leather gloves, and then I have my running gloves for when it gets cold. Have more scrunchies. I have this towel that I use when I do makeup, that way I don't make a mess. And in here I just have random stuff like lotion and hand sanitizer and stuff that I don't really reach for very often, but I guess it's good to have. And in our last drawer we have nail polish. This is a whole bag full of nail polish. We have an umbrella. We have extra rags for like when I go to the gym. Then over here I mainly have like medicines and stuff, or vitamins, that's what it is. Vitamins, papaya supplements, just all sorts of random supplements. Over here I have my drying sheets. Then I have, wow, I didn't even know this was here, that's cool. My toner that I should probably put on my desk, but you know, it's fine there. Then I have my aromatherapy stress relief that I love. Then I have this waist trainer for when I work out and I feel like being Kim Kardashian. And have extra soap, cotton balls, disinfectant wipes, nail polish remover, and I think my computer charger, and I think that's it for this drawer. That's a little overview of the desk. Over here in my drawers, I have, in this top drawer, I have underwear and bras. I know people are like weird about showing this, and honestly, we all use underwear, at least I hope so I don't really care. Then in this drawer, I have just t-shirts, kind of like loungewear t-shirts, and like stuff that I wouldn't wear in public. Over here, I have shorts, and again, just loungewear. I think I have some running shorts in here. And finally, in the bottom drawer, I have sports bras and bikinis, and that's all that's in this drawer. Then we get to my bed, and again, like I stated earlier, we just have this like white, gray, and baby pink thing going on. I have these lights up there that are actually little clips, and they look so pretty when they're on. Let me turn them on. But they're clips, so I usually put pictures on it, but I want to get new pictures, so I need to order those online. But it'll look really cute when I actually put pictures on. And on top of my bed, I just have this Palm Springs Tram Road First Place little placard thing. Then I have my earphones. I have this prompt book thing that I just think is so cute, but I haven't gotten around to doing it, and I should. I have a little keychain on top of it. Then I have these little notebooks from Ray Dunn. And then I just have my little Kate Spade card holder that my best friend got me, or my roommate now. And these 2 drawers are empty, but I just don't know what I want to put on it yet. I also know I want to put like a dream catcher up there because that would look really cute, and I think that like fits my vibe, but I'll keep y'all updated. So now I'm going to be showing you guys my closet, which is my favorite part of the whole apartment, if we're being honest. Ta-da! Okay, there was light. So when you walk in, you just have, I love how any normal person would show you the up view first, and I'm going ground up, love that. So I just have this box that has my shoes, and on top of it I just have the shoes that I use most often. So it's my Air Forces, my running shoes, and then my Birkenstocks. Over here I have my hamper, which is pretty much empty right now because I just did my laundry yesterday. Then over here I just have my jeans and bottoms, which is pretty cool because you can fit like multiple in each hanger. And then I just have I only brought my Louis wristlet and then this snakeskin kind of purse thing because I didn't want to carry that much, but I'll probably bring more. Then I have mainly dresses right here. We have shirts, and then we have jackets, and then back there I have my bathrobe and then my fuzzy robe that I wear all the time because I always get cold. Up here I have extra towels and blankets. And in there I have socks and extra batteries. That's my roommate's side, but we're not going to go into depth. Those are also his drawers. So that's an overview of what the closet looks like. I love it, honestly. It's my favorite. So, oh, also our trash can's right there. But I'm now just going to give you guys an overview of what the room looks like. This is basically the vibe that we're going for. Obviously, we still want to add more things, as I've stated before, but for now, this is what we got. Also, this is the light that our room comes with, and I don't like it. It's like a white light, so it makes it feel like I'm in an asylum. Do you see that? Ew, we're turning that off now. I think we've turned it on like a total of 2 times the entire time that we've been here, and I don't really like it, so we just turn these on. But yeah, this is what the room looks like. We love it. Also forgot to mention my backpack's just thrown under there. Oh, I forgot to show you this drawer, actually. Smart girls. I say like it's a fun drawer. I just have books that I bought today for class, some agenda. This is my diary, and then a calculator that I need for chemistry and some extra folders, and that's it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe. I would really appreciate it. I think we're like slowly but surely growing, and I love it. Also, please be sure to comment what videos you guys want to see from me next, because I'm so down to take some suggestions. And subscribe, like this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.